Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Let me know audio video okay or not. Let me know audio video okay or not. Check once audio video okay or not. Can we go ahead? Till now 3 classes are over. Till now 3 classes. Till now 3 classes are over. 3 classes of C programming is over. 3 classes of C programming is over. Till now 3 classes of C programming is over. If anyone not done, please revise the previous 3 lectures. Please go through it. Previous 3 lectures, please go through it. Until now 3 lectures are done. Until now 3 lectures are done. If anyone is not done, please go through it. If you are not done, please go through it. 3 lectures of C programming is done. If anyone not done, please go through it. This is my humble request to all the people. If anyone not done last 3 lectures, please go through it. Some people are saying, sir, say something about static variable. Remember, right? There is a one local variable. I'm just summarizing. There is a one local variable. But I want memory not in the stack, in the static area. Then use the static keyword. In the declaration, before data type, use static keyword. So if you use the static keyword before declaration, so what happened is, even though is the local, memory will create in the static area. Right? You may say that global variable also memory in the static area, right? Local also, local with static keyword, memory will be created in the static area. Try to understand. So then some people are asking, then what are the implications? The implications are, if you declare a variable, local variable with static keyword, memory will be created only once, because compilation time memory will be allocated. For any person memory created in the static area, memory will create compile time. Right? Even though local variable, if static keyword is there, memory will create in the static area at compile time. When you say compile time, right? Compilation is only once. So memory creation also for static variable only once. Right? So I written clearly. Let me read one time. For local variables, memory will be allocated at compile time in static memory if it is declared using static keyword. Okay. For static variable, memory will allocate only once, because compilation is only once. Because memory created a compile time, that is the reason. And one more, for static variable, initialization also once. When you say, what is the meaning of initialization? When you create memory, first time, whatever you keep inside, that is called initialization. First time what you initialize, that is called initialization. First time what you initialize, that is called initialization. Next one, static variable by default assigned to 0. Suppose you didn't keep anything. By default static variable 0. By default global variable also 0. Remember static variable local different, global variable different. You will see the clear difference in the further problems. In further problems, you will see the clear difference. You will see in the further story. If you have small doubt also, don't worry. Sir, I have some doubt. Don't worry. In the further problems, you will get the clarity. Yeah, let's start. Today's class I am starting. And one more thing I am reminding. If you serious about, I am repeating once again. If you serious about GATE 2026, it's the last batch. Don't see here and there. When you sit on the road, right? You may see that side, you may see this side, you may see upar, you may say niche. So unnecessarily time waste. If you are serious, last batch is going on, because afterwards syllabus completion is really difficult. After June month, syllabus completion is really difficult. GATE 2026, if you are preparing, last batch is going on. It is the last batch. Please join as soon as possible. If you are not join. Don't cry afterwards. Reddy sir, I completed 80% syllabus. What I will do? Reddy sir, I have not done any practice. What I will do? Practice is not done. What I have to do? Right? 80% syllabus only over. What I will do? PYQs not done. What I will do? Test series not done. What I will do? So my request is very clear. Don't beg afterwards. Reddy sir, I am getting test series very less mark. What I will do? What you do? What is there in your hand that time? If you come in the December month or January month and if you say syllabus not over, what I will do? If you come in the January month and if you say I am not written any test series, what should I do? Test series I am getting very less mark. What I will do? Yeah, I cannot do anything. Now only I can do. GATE 2026, if you serious, last batch going on, you can join. 70% discount there. 70%. I write 70% is no one giving 70%. It is a challenge. If you want, you can go and check. No one will give 70% discount except EPT. No one giving, because my priority is not money. My priority is I have to guide you nicely. That is my priority. See, if you see, 3 groups are there for doubt solving. 3 groups for doubt solving. We have 3 groups for doubt solving. Right, 24/7 we are solving the doubt, and one more every day. 3 daily tests are there. 3 daily tests. 1 daily test for right easy questions, 1 daily test for right tough questions, 1 daily test for medium questions. Every day 3 daily tests are free. So like that, in a month we are giving 90 tests are free. And one more thing is 70% discount. 24/7 doubt solving also. And 6,000 practice questions also, verified question. 6,000 verified questions we are giving with answers. Everything we are providing. My goal is guiding you. My goal is helping students as much as possible. My goal is helping students as much as possible. That is my goal. One of the institute person asked me, one of the institute main person called me and he asked, why don't you join with us? How much money you want? You say, I will give. He asked me, right, how much money you want? You please let me know, I will give. Right, one of the person he called me and he asked. Main person called. Whatever you say, just say to me, I will give. Why are you doing this? What is the need? Right, I will give money, whatever you want. I said, I want to help students as much as possible. I want to conduct 3 daily tests every day. Will you do? No. I want to do 24/7 doubt solving. I want to do 24/7 doubt solving. Will you do? No. I want to provide AIR1 notes freely. Will you do? No. Right? So I want to give 70% discount. And if God permits, 80% discount. If God will give more strength to me, 90% discount. I want to give as much discount as possible. Will you give? No. Then why should I come? Whatever money you want, I will give. He said like this. That is not my priority. My priority is this. Will you fulfill all these things? 3 daily tests every day, 24/7 doubt solving, AIR1 notes freely, 6,000 verified questions, PYQs also freely. Right, and if anyone asks any doubt, right, mentoring session, right, mentoring sessions, right, 25 rupees mentoring session, 1 rupee mentoring session, every Saturday mentorship session. So will you do that? No. Then why should I come? So my priority is very clear, helping students as much as possible. Now I am giving 70%. No one giving better than 70%. Right, we may give in the future, if God will permits, I may give more, 90% also, 80 also, 99 also. I don't know what God, whatever strength He will give, accordingly I will plan it. So my request to everyone, if you serious, If you serious, last batch going on, please join. If you serious. If you don't serious, no need to waste your time and my time. You can happily just skip this class and go. Right? Fine. Let's start now. Let's start now. Today's class. Let me write the date. What is the date now? I think today's date is, I think, 17. Yeah, 17/06/25. 17/06/25. Now take the today's class first problem. Main int where is equal to 5. It is a very tough problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. Static int where is equal to 5. Main static int where is equal to 5. If minus where, let's see, is minus or where minus? Yeah, I think where minus. Sorry for this. If where minus, then main. Let's see how many people will give. Printf. It's a very tough questions. I don't know how many people will give answer for this. Let's check. Where. Print where. Go ahead. This is the first problem. Today's class, it is the first problem. What is the output of this program? It's a very tough. Let's see. Remember, static variable memory only once. Even though it is a local, memory will normally local means memory will create in the stack area, but because of static keyword, memory will create in the static area. Please go ahead. Everyone try. Everyone tried. It's a very tough problem. Let's see how many people will give. Let's see how many people will give this. Everyone, don't sit idle. If you sit idle, you don't get anything. Are you sitting idle? You don't get anything. Everyone try. Don't sit idle. I given some time. Let's check how much you can give. If you can give this one, you are really fine with the static variable. You can give answer for this. No doubt at all. You are mostly fine with the static variable. Yeah. So I think you may be tried. Let's see. So everyone, before going to give my answer, Before going to give my answer, just can you comment what is your answer first? You please comment what is your answer. Before going to give my answer, you please comment what is your answer. Please comment, everyone, in the comment section. Everyone comment in the comment section. Everyone. Before going to give my answer, can you comment in the comment section? If anyone is not commenting, then what you do with hands, yeah? Then, sir, I don't want to comment, my hand will pain. Then what purpose hand is? Hand purpose is always eating. You can comment, yeah. Comment, nothing will happen. Sir, my hand will pain, sir. Ready, sir? My hand will pain. Arey, buffoon. Arey, buffoon. Comment in the comment section, yeah, your answer. No, I don't comment. My hand is only for eating purpose. I don't comment. Arey, nothing will happen here. You have two hands, na? Just comment your answer. Just comment, yeah. Yeah, I hope you commented. I'm not seeing screen also. I hope you commented. I will see after my answer is over. I will see. Let's start. See this one. Compile this program. Everyone observe. Compile this program. When you compile for local variable, even though local memory, global memory will create. Right? Local variable also memory will create. See this one. In this area, static area. In the static area, even though local memory will allocate. Right? See, let me write now. Var value 5. Remember, compile time itself, memory allocated. Even though local memory will allocate in the static area because you are using static keyboard. Remember, it has happened at a compile time. Now let's start. So I'm taking stack now. See whether I will write the diagram from the bottom, from the top, doesn't matter. See how I will show diagram doesn't matter. What is the stack property? Last in, first out. Some people are asking, sir, stack, how can you write from top? Sir, how can you write the stack from like this one? So you are writing stack like this. How can you write? The stack from right top to bottom? How can you write? Normally stack is right bottom to top, na? Bhaiya, nowhere I studied here. Stack is right top to bottom. Right? Stack is bottom to top. Nowhere I studied this. Nowhere I seen here. Stack means last in, first out. Whether you write the vertical line, whether you write the horizontal line, whether you write the top to bottom, whether you write the bottom to top, left to right, right to left, it doesn't matter. Stack property there or not there. Just see only stack property. Right? Stack means property is important, not the diagram. See, diagrams are only for humans because humans are having eyes. Diagram is only for humans. Humans are having eyes. Computer don't have eyes. Computer don't know bottom to top, top to bottom, left to right, right to left. Computer don't know anything. Computer saying that stack, last in, first out, or first in, last out. Stack is first in, last out, or last in, first out. See only behavior. Okay, let's start now. Program is running. Program execution will start from main. Okay, I started from main. See the answer in the main. Again, see this one. It is the first line. It is the second line. Second line true, then only 3 and 4. Remember, if second line is true, then only 3, 4. Second line fail, you are out of the program. Let's start now. First line. See the interesting line. First line. By seeing static. Who is running the program? Processor. Right? By seeing the static, processor got to know. Oh, static. Compile time, memory creation already done. Leave it. By seeing the static keyword, right? Processor. Oh, it is a local variable, but static variable. Oh, compiler already created. Memory, so no need to create. Skip it. You don't do anything. By seeing one, you will skip it. Second line. Can you see the second line? Where value 5. What is the 5 minus? 5 minus is 5 only. So if 5 condition is true, if 5 condition true, So second line is over, second line over. But remember, at that time, because of it is a right post decrementation, because of it is a post decrementation, that time it don't affect. It will affect after. After second line is over, it became 4. If 5 condition is true, then 3, 4 I have to execute. 3, 4 I have to execute. What are the 3? Main function called. Again main called. Main again first line. Let's see the first line. So let's see the first line. By seeing static, skip it. Second line. If where minus minus, where is 4? Where is 4? 4 minus minus is 4 only. If 4 condition is true, right? So this is true. Okay. After second line is over, it became 3 because it is a post decrementation. So second line true, then 3, 4 I have to execute. Some people are asking why this fourth person is waiting, sir. Remember, after third line is over, then only fourth line. Third line to complete, I went outside. When I come back, I will complete the fourth line. Until that time, right? Until that time, fourth line is waiting in the stack. To complete the third line, I am going outside. Outside work is over, then third line is over. Then I will complete fourth line. So first function, right? First time, whichever called, first time main function is waiting in the stack. Because why is waiting? Fourth line is not completed. Why fourth line not completed? Third line is not completed. So after third line is over, then fourth line. To complete third line, I have to go outside. I am going. Now second function. See the second function. I think second statement is true. Then I have to execute 3, 4. What are the 3? Again main call. Again main call. Be careful everyone. First line, right? Skip it. Second line, right? Second line. So where value 3? 3 minus 3 only. If 3 condition is true. After second line is over, it became 2. So second is true. So 3, 4 I have to execute. What are the 3? Again same main is called. Again same main is called. Can you see the first line? Skip it. Can you see the second line? If where minus minus, where value 2? 2 minus minus is 2 only. 2 minus minus, if 2 condition true. Right, this is true. Okay, after this line it became 1. So 3, 4 I have to execute. What are the 3? Again function call. Remember how many people are called? Those many push operation. First time main called push. Remember, it is a stack. If anyone not believing stack, if anyone think that it is not a stack, please, if you want, you can verify. If anyone think it is not a stack, ready sir, it is not stack. If anyone think like that, if anyone think like ready sir, it is not stack. If it is not stack, you can check one time. What is the answer? The person whoever called last, he only running. See, last person only running. Stack means what? Last person only work is going on. First person is waiting in the stack. Whether I will let the stack from bottom to top, top to bottom doesn't matter. The only thing which always matters is top of the stack only you are able to access. Now I think main function is going on. Can you see the first line? Main function is going on. Almost you are okay. Can you see the first line? First line, right? Skip it. See the second line. If what is the answer? 1. If 1 condition 2. Remember, 1 minus minus is 1 only. 1 minus minus is 1 only, condition true. Then immediately it will become 0. Be careful. Immediately it will become 0. So anyhow, 3, 4 I have to execute. Be careful now. Be careful. Again third line. Right? Main is called. Be careful everyone. Everyone listen. 1. Skip it. See the 2 now. See the 2. If 0 minus means 0. It is a 0 minus minus is 0. If 0 condition fail. Whenever second condition fail, 3, 4 no need to execute. Program is over. Whenever second condition pass, then 3, 4. Second condition fail, then 3, 4 not required. You are out of the function. But remember one thing. Second condition true or false doesn't matter. Second condition true or false doesn't matter because you already done 0 minus minus. 0 minus minus is 0, but after second line is over, it became minus 1. After second line is over, because of you done 0 minus minus, it became minus 1. Because of second line is fail, right? Then 3, 4 no need to execute. Now observe. Now everyone observe. So this function completed. See, you reached the closed bracket, function over. When you say function over, pop. But remember, third line purpose, you went outside. Whenever this function is over, third line is completed. To complete third line, I went outside. Outside work is over. Means outside work is over means outside work is popped. That means 3 completed. In the previous function, 3 completed. Now fourth line. Can you see the fourth line? Interesting answer. Fourth line, print where. See the fourth line, print where. Remember, at that time, if I print, I could have printed 0. Because, right, at this place, value. That time, if I print, it could have been 0. But because of you went outside and you came back and you are printing. If you print now, what is the value? -1. -1 printed first. So fourth line is over, -1 printed. Then when you say fourth line is over, end of the function, this function popped. That means for what purpose you went outside, that is completed. In the previous function, third line purpose, I went outside. So outside over means third line is over. Now see the fourth line. Fourth line which is waiting in the stack, it will be done. But the print where? That point of time, if you print, because of it, the if 2, I think it could have been printed 1. But you are coming, after coming back, you are printing. So -1. Again -1 printed. Remember everyone, here different wheres are not there. Only one where. Because of only one where, at what time you are printing, that matters. Because of only one where, at what time you are printing, that matters. If every person having its own where, if every person having its own local variable, at what time you are printing may not be matters, but here matters. If you print that time, it could have been printed 1, but you went down and while coming back you are printing. So that time where value -1. Anyhow, this is completed, this is over. So now fourth line, print where -1 will be printed. This is also completed. Now print where -1 also printed. This is also completed. So print where -1 also printed. This is also completed. So if you want, you can observe how many functions are pushed. First main, next main, next main, next main, next main. I think 5 times, sixth time, you didn't went inside if. Totally 6 functions are pushed, but only 5 values are printed because last one didn't went inside stack. Inside stack, these 2 people didn't went. In the last function, you are unable to go 3, 4. When you are unable to go 3, 4, you cannot print it. Fourth one is a print. When you don't go 3, 4, how can you print the fourth line? So I think totally 6 functions. 5 functions inside print you are able to go. So 5 values will be printed because of only one where everyone accessing, but you are printing while coming back. When you are coming back, at the time where value -1. So 5 times -1 will be printed. Output of this program is 5 times -1. I don't know how many people will, right? How many people are given answer? I really don't have any idea how many people are given answer. Now let me see the answer. Now I am seeing the answer. Let's check. Let's check how many people will give answer. Let me check. Let me check how many people will give answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. Shikhar saying that 5 times -1. True. Vikas is saying that stack overflow. No. Program continue infinitely and keeps on pushing into stack. So stack overflow error. No. No Visha, no Vikas, it is not stack overflow. No, because it is not stack overflow. Its answer is 5 times -1. Let me know anyone having any objection. Rajiv is saying that 5. Rajiv is saying that it's 5. No, answer is 5 times -1. Answer is 5 times -1. Let me know if anyone having any objection. If anyone having any objection, please let me know. Little doubt also there, please let me know. Little doubt also there, please let me know. Everyone try. Little doubt also. If you don't have doubt, I can move to the next problem. You don't have doubt, I can move to the next problem. Check everyone. Sir, I don't have doubt, sir. We can move to the next one. Can we move next? Bro, can we move next? Can we move next? Bro. Can we move next? Bolo yaar. Can we move next? Yes, yes. Let's take the another problem. Let's take another problem. Now itself, if you want, some people are asking, sir, can you say the static variable properties? Can you see static variable properties, everyone? Can you see static variable properties, everyone? Everyone sees one. For static variable, memory will create only once, of course, only one time memory. For static variable, even though it is a local variable, memory will allocate in the static area. Yes, static variable memory will be once. Static variable memory will allocate in the static area. Next one, static variable memory will allocate compile time. That is also okay. And one more. Can you help me now? Static variable initialization is only one. See, only one time 5 I kept. See, only one time 5. I didn't kept the 5 again and again. See, here I will keep the 5. Here I will keep the 5. Here I will keep the 5. I didn't done. One time only I kept 5. Static variable initialization will be only once. One time only I kept 5. Right? Fine. I think everything is okay. Let's move to next problem. It may give more clarity. Let me give next problem. It may give more clarity to you. Take the next problem. Everyone take the next problem. I am giving the next problem. Let's see how many people will do. Yeah, take this. Main into y is equal to 10, comma, x is equal to 5. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 2, I plus plus. Can you try this problem? This problem, if you can handle most of the things, you can do it. Y plus is equal to f of x. Y plus is equal to g of x plus f of x. Printf y. Next one, f of int x inside int y. Y is equal to g of x. Return x plus y. Return x plus y. Let's go to g function also. G of int x static int y is equal to 20. Next one, y plus plus return x plus y. Yeah, can you go ahead? What is the output of this program? If you can give answer for this problem, anything you can handle. In the static variable, it is a maximum what can happen. In the static variable, it is a maximum. Which can happen. So this problem, if you can give, this problem answer, if you can give, anything you can handle. This problem, if you can handle, anything you can handle. Try now. Don't sit idle. Those people who are sitting idle, I am again and again I'm saying to you, if you are sitting idle, you will marry one person who will sit idle. Are you sitting idle? Yes. Then you will marry one more person who will sit idle. You will sit idle, your partner also sit idle. By seeing both of you, your children also sit idle. Totally, right? Sitting idle family. Your family name is sitting idle family, right? Right outside your house, you can keep on board also. Sitting idle family, right? You also sitting idle. Your partner also sitting idle. Your kids also sitting idle. So outside your house, right? You can keep on board. Sitting idle family. First of all, when you sit idle, where will you get the kids here? Where will you get? You and your partner sitting idle. Where will you get kid? No, sir, that time I don't sit idle, sir. This time I will sit idle. What mistake I done? What wrong I done, yeah? Why in my class only you will sit idle? In my class only, why you sit idle? You can sit idle after marriage. Why you sit idle only in my class? Arey, bhaiya, start doing, yaar. Start doing, man. Start doing. 4 years BTech, you are sitting idle only. Now also you will sit idle. 4 years BTech, you are sitting idle. Now also sitting idle. This is not the time for sitting idle. Yeah? At the age of 80, you can sit idle. At the age of 90, you can sit idle. This is not the time to sit idle. Right? Please do. If you do now, then only will get to know where you go wrong. If you do now, then only you will get to know where you are going wrong. Can you go ahead? Those people who completed, please post your answer. Please post your answer. Please post in the comment section what is your answer. Post in the comment section what is your answer. Post in the comment section what is your answer. I want to see everyone participation. If you don't want to participate, get out from my class. You don't want to participate, just get out. Just get out from here. You don't want to participate, just get out. Comment what is your answer. Post what is your answer. Everyone try. Post what is your answer. Those people who are not trying, you will get one of the kid who is an elephant. Those people who are not trying, you will get one of the kid who is an elephant. One more kid which is a pig. One kid is elephant, one kid is a pig. Please try. My intention is please try. Don't curse me. How can you say my kid is elephant? How can you say my kid is pig? Don't curse me. My intention is please try. If you can give correct answer for this, you are fine with the static variable. Can you go ahead? Type the answer. Answer type. Type answer. Type answer. Not only listening, type. Type your answer. Until all will say your answer. I don't give answer. When you don't give, why should I give? Every time I only should give or what? Every time I only should give, kya bhaiya? When you don't give, why should I give? You give, then only I will give. You give answer, then only I will give answer. I am waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your answer. No one responding. No one responding. Okay? You don't give, I don't give. If you are shameless, I am also shameless. You are shameless. I am square shameless. So, because he is saying 67, 69, how we are? How bhaiya? 67, 69 is wrong. 67, 69, I don't think it is right. One thing is to true, two values will print. Two values will print. One thing is true, two values will print. But in my opinion, it is wrong. Anyhow, we will recheck again. Anyhow, we will recheck again. See, some people still not responding. Are Shikhar, don't respond or what? Are Abhijit, you don't respond. Only entertainment is going on. You don't respond kya? Are karo yaar, karo. You don't give, I don't give. Pakka. You don't want to give answer. I also don't want to give answer. Do whatever you want. You want to file a case on me? You want to file a case and file. Whatever will happen, will happen. We both will go to Supreme Court. We both will go to Supreme Court. Do whatever. Okay, do whatever you want. You want to go to Supreme Court? I also can go. I also can go. My bhaiya is Supreme Court lawyer. I also can go. You don't give answer. I also don't give. Vijayamani saying that 66, 70. I don't think so. I don't think so. Anyhow, I am writing. Anyhow, I am writing. Can you say the answer? You people say answer, then only I will say the answer. Make it fast. Make it fast, yaar. Bhaiya, make it fast. Ayush is saying that 58, 62. 58, 62. Maybe. Let's see. I don't think so. That is also no. That is also no. I don't think so. I don't think so. Fourth one. Those people who are not giving answer. Those people who are not giving answer. You will get one of the kid dog. Your kid is a dog. Those people who are not giving answer. You after right you will marry. Every dog will marry at the end of the day. Every pig has its own day. I married. You will also marry. After you married, you will get the kid dog. Those people who are not responding, you will get the kid which is a dog. Your kid is a dog. Because kid papa also dog, kid mama also dog. No one responding. No one. Okay, let's see. Let's see the answer. Let's see the answer. Some people are given answer. Let's see the answer. Everyone see. Everyone see. Everyone see this one. Everyone respond. Everyone respond. It is the static variable. Listen. Static memory. Lack of space I am managing. Lack of space I am managing. So it is a static area. Everyone observe. It is a static variable. Sorry, static area. This is the static area. Everyone observe. It is a static area. In the static area, even though local, if static keyword is there, memory will be allocated. Even though local, right? Right? Memory will be allocated in the static area. If you use static keyword, can you check how many places static is there? I think this place. Only one place. Only one place static keyword there. Right? Only one. Let me write here. Y 20 address 1000. Compile time itself memory allocated. Right? No global also. Only local. local variable is there, static into y is equal to 20. Static area, memory already allocated. Okay, compilation is over. It is the current status. Let me run the program. Let me run the program. Everyone observe. Now let me run the program. Running will start from main program. So running will start from main program. Everyone observe. Running will start from main program. Right? See this one, main program. And one more thing is, I think it's not a recursive program. There may not be many functions. Remember, every program will execute in stack only. Every program, see, main is called, main also will push inside stack. But F is called, F also will push inside stack. Internally, program running means you are using stack data structure. Program is running, you are using stack data structure. Program is running, you are using stack data structure. Try to understand. So I think main program onwards running will start. Right. So main is running. So everyone observe, everyone. So only for static variable memory in the static area, for other people in the stack area. Try to understand. Try to understand. And one more, very less people there, right? Internally stack we are using, right? Same thing I will do directly also, right? Now see the answer. Declaration, memory will be allocated. Can you see this one? Declaration, memory will be allocated. So local variable in the stack area allocated. Can you see this one? Y10, local variable. X5. So address may be 2000 here, address may be 3000 here. Right? Main function in the stack area. For y and x, memory will be allocated. Okay, until now everything is okay. Now see this one. I also memory will allocated. Remember, I also should be declared. Actually, I also should be declared, but anyhow, I am not done. So I rectified mistake also. 4000. So you are not kept anything. Remember, if anyone is created in the stack area, by default garbage. By default garbage. If anyone created in the stack area, by default garbage. So I is initially garbage. Now let's run the program. Can you see this one? I is equal to 1. Okay. 1 less than or equal to 2. Condition true. For every true, execute the statement inside. For every true, execute the statement inside. Now, one more thing I am going to say to everyone. This is the shorthand operator, right? See this one, addition followed by assignment. This is the shorthand operator. It is the shorthand operator. Remember, addition followed by assignment. This is the shorthand operator. Okay. Remember, whenever it is the shorthand operator, see this one. After right side is over, then only you can do this. Remember this. From this problem, I want to say this. After right hand side over. And one more thing, see this one, assignment operator, without completing right, you cannot complete left. You want this, something like this one, A is equal to B, without completing B, how can you complete A? B will be assigned to A. First of all, B should be available. So from now onwards, everyone observe, assignment operator, right hand side should be done first. Assignment operator, right hand side should be done first. If right hand side is not done, what you are keeping inside left? So right will be done, that will be kept in the left. So be careful everyone. So shorthand operator, see this one, shorthand operator, right will be done, that will be added. Right, now start. Right should be first. In the right hand side, first one, g of x. Can you help me now? X going, what is the meaning? X value going, x value 5 going. Where it is going? So here. So now see this one, 5 is coming. So int x memory will allocate. 5 will be there. And the address of this one is maybe 5000. So x is coming, means x value coming. G of 5 is going. Where it will store? Int x, g of int x. Int x means create memory again. I created. Remember, for all local variables, memory created in the stack area. Try to understand. So until now, fine. And one more, it is static. By seeing static, processor will skip it because for the static variable already memory created in the static area. Skip it. Next one, y plus plus. See everyone, y is 20. Y is 20. 20 plus plus. Everyone observe. Y is 20. Because it is a local variable but static. Static area is available. Y is 20. 20 plus plus is 20 only. But after this line, it became 21. At that line 20, after that line is over, it became 21. Next one, x is already in this function 5 there, y is 21 there, 5 plus 21, right? 26. 26 will return. Return means what? From which place you came, that place it will go. This will become 26. This will become 26. Remember, first main called, main push. Next to G called, G will push. First main, next G. I think G function is completed. G will pop. When the G pop, automatically main will come. In the main, listen, to do this addition, left required, right required. Left available, but right not available. Go to the right. F of x, right? Remember, in this function, what is the x value? 5. So again, 5 will go. So 5 is going. 5 is going. So 5 is going. Receiver, int of x memory will allocate. It is a 5. Address of this one. But one more thing I want to say to you. Whenever you came to G function, int of x memory created. Whenever G function is over, for these people, wherever memory created, it will be deallocated. Whenever this is running for the local variable in the stack area memory allocated, whenever you say from the stack, this function is popped out, automatically local variable memory also popped out. But remember, it is a static variable. Memory already there in the static area. Static area memory cannot go immediately. Stack person will go. See, stack person is came here. Whenever function over, right, this will be popped out. See, this is gone. Now this memory location, whatever I think it is a 5000. If you want, you can give here also. Or if you want, you can take some other memory also. But you can reuse also because this memory already popped out. This memory, other person also can reuse it. He is reusing. So int x, memory created. Now see this one, int y, one more memory created. It may be 7000. And one more, you didn't kept anything, right? I think local variable, if you don't keep anything, by default garbage. Now see the answer, g of x. Now g called. Remember, in this function x value 5 is going. Now again, right, to receive this 5 int x, again memory will be allocated. So value is 5. Address is going to be some address you can give 8000. If you want, you can give 5000 also, no problem. Memory will allocate again because you called again. Now inside static variable, memory already available. Now y plus plus, y is previously 21. 21 plus plus is 21 only. After this line over, it became 22. Now return 5 plus, right? X value 5. 5 plus 20, right? 5 plus 22. It became 27. 27 will goes to from which place you came, that place. It became 27. So y value 27. 27. X value 5, y value 27. Return x plus y. 5 plus 27 will be returned. 5 plus 27 is 32. 32 will goes to from which place you came. This is 32. So 26 plus 32, which is going to be, I think, 58. 58, I think, see on the right hand side, total 58. Y is equal to y plus. What is the meaning of a plus is equal to b? Means a is equal to a plus b. That is the meaning. A plus is equal to b means first to complete right side. From this problem, you have to understand this. A plus is equal to b means first to do right hand side. After that is over, a is equal to a plus b. A is equal to a plus. First to complete right hand side. Then left is equal to left plus right. So finally, y value already, see this one. Remember, it is a local variable 10. It is a local variable 10. See, this y is 10. So 10 plus 58, it became 68. It became 68. So this line is over. Print y. 68 will be printed first. No one done 68. First 68 will be printed. Not only 68 printed. So in the y 68 is there. In the y 68. Now see the answer. This for loop is 2 times. 1 time is over. Now second time I plus plus. I value became 2. Now I will use another color. I am using the red color. Can you see this one? I am using another color so that you will get clarity. Now I value 2. Everyone observe. I value 2. So next one after 2, right? 2 less than or equal to 2. Condition is 2. Then execute again. So g of x is called. What is the x value as of now? 5. 5 will go. 5 will go. Remember, this function already over popped out. This function also already over popped out. All local variables will be popped out. But remember, this person is not popped out. And main people also not popped out because main is not over. Now see this one. From the main, g of x is called. X value 5 is coming. Again, same story. X memory will create again. It's a 5. Now y value, right? Static into y, memory will not create. Y plus plus, previously 22. 22 plus plus is 22. After that line, it became 23. Next one, return x plus y, 5 plus 23. It became 28. The 28 will go back to here. Right? So again, memory will be deallocated. Go here. Plus f of x. X value 5 will go. Again will come. So x5. X5. Now into y. Y also memory will allocate. Y also memory will allocate. Next one. Y is equal to g of x. X value 5 going. So 5 came here. Again x memory will allocate 5. Static into y. Skip it. Y plus plus. I think it is a 23 plus plus 23. After that line 24. 5 plus 24, 29. 29 will go back to here. So y is 29. That 29 will goes to here. So remember 28 plus 29, which is going to be, I think, 57. 57. Right? Y is equal to y plus. Y already 68. 68 plus 57. How much? 14, 15. So 6, I think 12, 125. 125 will store first, then afterwards print, then I think loop is 2 times. Third time 3. I think this condition is fail. You come out of the for loop. So finally the output of this one is 68 plus 125. 68 plus 125. I feel, right? Everyone got it. If anyone didn't get also, please check properly. It is a very nice problem. Remember function called push. Push means local variable memory will allocate. Do you believe or not? Whenever main is over, say some. Whenever main is over, lastly main is over. Then main local variables also gone. Whenever main also over, whenever main also completed, lastly static variable also will go. So answer for this problem is 68 plus 68 comma 127. Why second number is very big number? See, as soon as you mentioned the answer, I said wrong. Why? So there is a big difference between first one and second one. See, second one you given a very small value. Second one is almost like a double came. Almost double came. So you said the answer as both are side by side. No. Both are side by side. No. This problem, if you can get, you can solve any problem of static variable. Remember, static variable lifetime is huge because he created first. See, compile time itself he created. Total program over, then he will be popped out. If any variable is static variable, listen, if any variable is a static variable, its lifetime is huge. Total program is lifetime is there. But remember, local variables lifetime is actually within the function. But static variable lifetime is right within the program. Program means total. Static variable lifetime is total program. Global variable lifetime is total program. Right? Local variable lifetime is within the function. Local variable lifetime is actually within the function. If it is a static variable, right, lifetime is within the program. Total program static variable will be available. Static variable lifetime is total program. Local variable lifetime is within the function. Let's see. Any doubts are there, anyone? Any doubts there, anyone? Let me know. 28 plus 29, which is going to be 57. 57 plus 68, which is going to be 125. which is going to be 125. Is it okay? Someone is saying 28 plus 34. Am I right? Oh, it is a 32, na? Is it 32? 32 or 29? 32. Yeah, maybe in the first I done, right? So can you help me now? Second time g of x. Second time g of x is 28. Second time g of x is 28. Yes or no? Second time g of 8 is 28. Yes or no? G of 8 is okay, 28. Yes, no? So yeah, 5 plus 29. Sorry for this. 5 plus 29, which is 34. 34. 34 plus 28. 34 plus 28. How much it is? I think 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 4, 12. I think 6. 62. Is it 62? Right, so let me write now. 68 plus 28 plus 34. 16, 20, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 130. Yeah, same. Sorry for the, right, maybe I think while returning, maybe I done the small mistake. Fine now, is it okay now? So this one, 5 plus 29, 5 plus 29. 5 plus 29, 130. Can we move to next? Can we move to next? Answer is 68, 130. Answer is 68, 130. Can we move next? Let me know anyone having any objection. Anyone having any objection, let me know. Can we move? If you can solve this problem, you will be perfect. And one more, in exam, you no need to do second one also, because right, the person who given the question paper, he also know it will take some time, but right, he will make sure it will take less time. See, second one you no need to do also, because first one itself no one matching. First one itself no one matching except one person. Right, first one is 68, no one matching except fourth option. So then there no need to do other things, right? Directly you can select fourth as the answer. In one of your previous paper, this question is given. You no need to do second part, right? You no need to do second part. He knows very well it will take some time, so you will make sure, right? So second one will come directly. You will make sure second one will come directly. Fine. Second one will come directly. No need to bother. Let me know if anyone having any objection. The only purpose of this one is, do you really know static variable? This problem you are, see, so many Y's are there, you will confuse. So many Y's are there, you will confuse. Remember, is the local variable Y. Right? Here, local variable Y, static variable Y. Please be careful. So little doubt also there, you will do mistake. One of the answer will match. Little doubt also there. One of the option will match, you will give wrong answer. Clearly checking in this program, do you know static variable? Do you know static variable? Just checking that. Remember, any local variable will be available in the stack when that function is running. When that function is running, local variables will be available inside stack. When that function is over, right? Those variables memory is gone. Those local variables memory is gone. When it is going on, local variable memory there in the stack. When it is over, local variables memory deallocated from the stack. Deallocated from the stack. I hope everyone got. If anyone didn't get also, please check one time. You no need to cry. You no need to cry. You no need to cry. See my explanation one more time. Suppose you didn't get. See my explanation one more time. First you try. If you didn't get, see my explanation once again. Keep on do until you are comfortable. Keep on do until you are comfortable. Until you are comfortable. Keep on do. Keep on do until you are comfortable. So the answer of this problem is 68,130. The answer of this problem is 68,130. Just the major game is in this problem. In this problem, the major game is static variable, static into y. The major game is static into y. That is the major game. Everyone fine? Small doubt also there. If anyone having small doubt, please check one time by yourself. Nothing there here. Just one time checking. One time checking required. Yeah, I think everything fine. Yeah, let's move to next. Can we move to next? Can we move to next? So Afjal is saying that, sir, wow, teaching. Thank you, Afjal. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. For that only I'm teaching. Thank you so much. Right. Let's move to next problem. One more problem is there. Let me give it. One more problem there. Let me give it. See, next problem may be more danger. Next problem may be more danger. Please try to catch as much as possible. Don't cry. This problem may be very danger. Comparing previous one, it may be more danger. Let's try. Let's try this problem. Main int n is equal to 5. Printf %d f of n end of the mean. End of the mean. Next one. F of int n static int r is equal to right, let me check. 7. If n is less than or equal to 1, return ten. If n is greater than 3, then return. It's a very tricky problem. Let's see how many people will do. Return f of n minus 2 plus 2. R is equal to n. Return f of n minus 1 plus r. End of the function. Try what is the output of this program. It's a very tricky. Problem. Let's try. If you can give answer for this, trust me. If you can give answer for this problem, right? Any problem of static variable you can do. Compulsory static variable will come in the exam. So some people are asking, how can you give guarantee static variable should be there in the exam? How can you give guarantee static variable should be there in the exam? As soon as the exam paper is given, please check. Please check in the question paper static variable question is there or not there. If not there, call the examiner and say, can you change the paper? Because it is not belongs to CSE paper. If it is a CSE paper, compulsory static variable should be there. As soon as question paper given, please check immediately static there or not there. If not there, call the examiner. It is not our paper. I think wrongly something happened. Can you change the paper? Right? They will immediately check. Oh, it's a mechanical paper. Oh, it's not CSE. So they will say sorry and they will change the paper also. I am that much surety giving. Compulsory static variable is there in the exam. If you want, you can check. Can you go ahead? What is the answer of this problem? I hope many people will give answer for this. Check. Start now, everyone. Everyone start. Try this. Yeah. Can you give answer? Can you give answer? What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? Everyone, can you try your answer? Mostly your answer is wrong. I'm pretty sure your answer is wrong. Are you saying 17? Let's see how many will give. So someone said that 17. Some right, Afjal is saying that 17. Ayush also saying 17. Let's see. So can I give answer? It's a very tricky problem. I feel it is a very tricky. Let's see how many people will give. So some people are saying 17. Some people are saying 17. So let me try this. Let me try this. So compile this program. Everyone observe. Compile this program. This program compile. If you compile, wherever global memory will allocate, right, in the compile time static area, local also memory will allocate if static is there. Okay. No global. Let me write now. So R is equal to 7. Memory will allocate. Address 1000. Compile time, no global, local variable static memory allocated, R value 7, everything perfect. Now let me run the program. Everyone observe. Let me run. Main program onwards, running is going on. Right, see this one. Because of it's a recursion, so many functions will be there. Compulsory I have to take stack. So remember previously also stack there. Because of very less function call, I done directly. But here it is a recursion. Many functions are there. Calling itself many times. Many function calls. So many people will go inside stack. If you don't take stack, definitely there is a confusion. So really required I am taking. So now see this one. It is a main. Everyone observe main. It is a main first. In the main, int n is equal to 5. Okay, n 5. Address 2000. Okay. So first line is over. Can you see the second line? Second line purpose, right? Print a percentage f of n. N value 5 going. So it will go here. It will go here. So f function. F of int 10. F of int 10 memory will allocate. So n here memory will allocate. And one more thing, remember, it is not static. It is not static. Memory will allocate. N value 5. Address is 2000. That is okay. Now observe clearly. F function. Observe clearly. First line. Skip it. While running by seeing static. Processor will skip it. So first line skip it. See the second line. If the second line is true, then right, second line is true, then I don't go to third line. Then I don't go to fourth line. Please be careful. If second true, I will return. Return means going out of this function. If second true, I don't go to third, I don't go to fourth. If the second true, I will return. Return means what? Out of this function. If second fail, I will go to third one. If third one is true, I don't go to fourth one. Third one is true, I will return. So I don't go to fourth one. Remember, second, third fail, then only I will go to fourth one. Second, third fail, then only I will go to fourth one. Let's start now. As of now, n is 5. So let me ask, 5 is less than or equal to 1. So second fail. 1, right? 1 is a static. By seeing static, processor will skip it. Second one is fail. Then go to third. So n value 5. 5 is greater than 3, condition true. So remember, 2, 3, 4, only 1 will execute. 2 executed, 3, 4 will not execute. 2 fail, then 3, 4. In the 3, 4, either 3 will execute, 4 I will execute. Because there is a return in between. 3 is true, I don't go to 4. Because there is a return. Return means going back. So I think 3 is true, 4 will not execute. Can you say what is the 3? Return f of, right, n minus 2 plus 2. N minus 2 plus 2. So let me write here. So here you are calling the function. Yeah, right? Plus 2. So let me write properly. So because I need some space. N is k, which is 5. Address is 2000. Now observe here. So now observe everyone here. Everyone observe. Plus 2, okay. F of n minus 2. F of n. So n value is 5, 5 minus 2, so f of 3 going. So f of 3 going. It is f of n only, but n value 3 here. Address is some other address, 3000 address, some memory location. Some memory location. Now in the f function, can you see once again? When you say recursion, again from static, first line, nothing will happen. Second, n value 3, 3 less than or equal to 1, second also fail. Go to the 3, 3 greater than 3, condition fail. Then come to fourth. Then come to fourth. In the fourth line, can you observe? Very, very important one. Fourth line, can you observe here? Very, very important one. R is equal to n. Remember, R is a static variable. R is equal to n. R is equal to n. Understand once. R is equal to n. So this is R value 7. So R is equal to n means n value as of now 3. R became 3. Okay, this line is done. Then return f of n minus 1. See this one? F of n is 3. 3 minus 1 means 2. F of 2. Listen, f of 2 plus r. Don't write r value. F of 2 plus r. Remember, this is over. Then only I can go here. I am unable to see this. Because of we are human, we have two eyes. You are seeing left also, right also. Remember, without left over, you cannot go to right. Without left over, you cannot go to right. So f of 2 should be over first. So f is called again. Now n is 2. Address is 4000. Now observe clearly, n value 2. So second fail, third fail, fourth. What is the answer? R is equal to n. R is equal to n. What is the n value? 1. R is equal to n means 1. 1 or 2. So 2. Sorry for this. R is equal to n. Right? So R value becomes 2. That is also okay. That is also okay. Next one. Right? So f return f of n minus 1. It is 1 plus r. So f of 1. So f is called. Now n is 1. Observe clearly everyone. N is 1. Address may be 5000. So see the answer. Recursion. Again start from starting. Static, skip it. See the second line. N value 1. 1 less than or equal to 1. Condition true? Yes. Return 10. This will return 10. So now I am writing return. Everyone observe return 10. So when you say return 10, so 10 is coming. So this is 10. 10 plus. Now see. Currently what is the R value? Now see. R value 2. So this is 2. 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 will go from which place you came? It is 12. What is the R value now? R value 2. Which is 14. So 14 will go back to from which place you came? It is a 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 will go. Return is there. Return means from which place you came? This place. So lastly, 16 will be printed. Please let me know if I done anything wrong. Answer for this one is 16. Maybe I may be done some calculation wrong. Please let me know. So let me check. Someone is given, wait, I will tell sir. Someone is given 17. Answer 16. Both are not matching. If you think I done wrong, let me know. If anyone think I done wrong, let me know. After all, I am also human, right? Maybe in the past, maybe I done wrong. Can you check one time? Remember, see this one. A plus B. This is the mistake what people will do. A plus B. Remember, without left, you cannot go to right. Left means first person. Without first person, you cannot go to second person. Without first person, you cannot go to second person. First person over, then second person. I will think about second if the first person is over. If the first person is not over, I cannot think about second person. So when the first person is over, then only I will go to second. So when you go to second, that time R value 2. If you write that directly current R value, do you believe or not? Current R value may be 7. Current R value may be 7. If you write the 7, problem will come. If you write the 7, problem will come. Please careful. Please careful. You don't go to second part until first part over. See, first part is not done. To do first part, I have to go here. To do first part, I have to go here. To do first part, I have to go here. First part is available. Then I will go to second. At that time, what is the R value? Take only that R value. While coming back, right? While coming back, then I will see what is the R value. Then I will see what is the R value. Is it okay? Bro, is it okay? Yes. Answer for this one is 16. Will you agree? Answer for this problem is 16. Will you agree? If anyone don't agree, please go to hell. If anyone say I don't agree, please go to hell. You, your friends, go to hell. Sir, I don't agree, sir. You and your friends go to hell. Ready, sir, I don't agree. Ready, sir, I don't agree. Just shut up. Just shut up. Answer is 16. Answer 16. Can we go next? Can we go next? Hello? Oi, can we go next? Without completing left, don't go to right. Don't tempt to write the right hand side answer. Don't tempt to take the right hand side value immediately. Can you teach C programming in I am from the black? So I don't know what you are talking, bro. Bro, I don't know what you are talking. I am from black. What is this, man? I am not getting yaar. Chalo, can we move to next? Bro, I am not getting yaar. Can we move to next? Are Ayush, can we move to next? Are Shikhar, are you there? Shikhar, bro, are you there? Now do this problem also. I will get the clarity you got or not. I am giving this problem also. I will get the clarity are you got or not. Let's check. Write down this. Write down this. Main int n is equal to 5. For your convenience, I am giving. For your convenience, I am giving. Try this. I think very less people can give answer. Very less people can give answer. Let's check. Very less people can give answer. Let's check. Try this carefully. Very less can give answer. Try. Everyone try. It is a open challenge. Let's see how many people will give answer. It is a open challenge. Let's see how many people will give answer. Very less will give. Very less. Very less will give answer. Let's check. Let's check everyone. Everyone, let's check. So as usual, static variable memory will create in the static area. Static variable memory will allocate in the static area. Okay, that's okay. R, right? So because of you didn't kept anything, static area by default 0. Because of you didn't kept anything, static variable by default 0. Static variable by default 0. Okay, fine. That's okay. Now let me run the program. Everyone listen. Let me run the program. N is 8. Address is some address 2000. N is 8. Address is 2000. So f of 8. 8 is going. 8 is going. Now let me run the recursive program. In 10, listen everyone. In 10, memory will allocate. F of in 10, n memory will allocate because it is not a static variable. It is a normal variable. Running time memory will allocate. 8 is there. Address is some other address. It may be 3000. So f of in 10. So 8 is going. Sorry, f of 8 is going. Received by in 10. In 10 memory will allocate. In that 8 will be kept. Address 3000. Okay. Now see the first line. Static. Skip it. Second line, right? N value 8. 8 is less than or equal to 1. Condition fail. So remember, if the second true, I don't go to 3 because there is a return. If the second true, I will return. I don't go to 3. If the third is true, I will return. I don't go to 4. So second executed, third will not execute. Third will executed, 4 will not execute. So 2, 3, 4, only one person will execute. Let's check one by one. So 1 is static, skip it. Observe carefully. 1 is static, skip it. See the second one, n value 8. 8 less than or equal to 1? 8 less than or equal to 1? No. 1, 2 gone. Let's go to 3. Everyone observe. 2, 3, 4, only 1. So 3. So n value is 8. 8 greater than 3, condition true. Then see the answer. Condition true. Everyone observe. Condition true. Then return. See this one. Return R plus. Remember everyone. If you want to do plus operation, both the people required. If you want to do A plus B, left, right, A required, B required. Both are available, then only you can add. Both are available, then only you can add. If one is available, one is not available, you cannot add. So what you do is, even though you have left one, because of right also required to add it. Even though you have left one, because of right also required to add it, but right is not available because right side is a function call. So what you do is, right side please write R plus only, don't write anything. Because when right available, left one will change. When right is available, left one will change. So instead of writing R value, please write R only because it is a static variable. If you do immediately, then there is no problem. Suppose if I say print R, then current value will be printed. But you are not printing R. R plus left plus right. Left is available, but right not available. If both not available, how can you add? So you cannot do addition now. So R is waiting for left side person, waiting for right side person. But when right came, left one may change. So the best idea is simply write R plus f of R plus f of n minus 2. So I think n value 8, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6. So f of int n, where in this n is 6. Some people are asking, sir, why don't I write the R value? R value, if you write R value, where you will wait? Okay, you written the R value, where you will wait? You will wait in the R only. When right is available, left is changed. This is the mistake what people will do. This is the mistake. See, A plus B, both required. When you try for right one, left one may change. When you try for left one, right one may change. Because static variable, anyone can change. See, static variable, first function person can change. Second person can change. If you use directly static variable, there is no use. But if you postpone it, there is a problem. Static variable, are you postponing? I think you may see different value. After some time, you may not be same. Right? Be careful. Now see the answer. N value 6. Address 4000. Now see the first one. First to skip it. Second, n value is now 6. 6 is less than or equal to 1, fail. Now see the third one. Now see the third one. N value 6. 6 is greater than 3. Condition true. Condition true. Same story. R plus f of n minus 2. N is now 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Recursion. Int n, same story. Recursion means what? Same story will repeat. But n value changing. N is now 4. Address is 5000. Now, first one, skip it. Second one, condition fail. Because it is 4. 4 great less than or equal to 1, fail. Go to the 3. R plus f of n minus 2. N value 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Same story in 10. N is 2 now. Address is 6000. Okay. First one, skip it. Second one, R value is 2. 2 less than or equal to 1, fail. Third one, 2 greater than 3, fail. Now see the fourth one. Everyone observe fourth one. See the answer. Everyone observe fourth one. R is now. As of now, R value 0. Be careful. As of now, R value 0. R plus plus, it became R plus plus is R is 0. R is 0. R plus plus also 0. R plus plus also 0. But after that line, it will become 1. Now, in the fourth line, lastly, see the fourth line, lastly, return f of n minus 1. Same story. F of int n minus 1. I think here n value 1. I think previously 2, now n value 1. Plus R is there. Whatever R is there, just write R. We'll see afterwards. This one will be there. Right? Now see this one. Without completing left, you cannot go to right. So f of int n. So f of int n. Now see the first one. Skip it. See the second one. N value is 1. 1 is less than or equal to 1. Condition true. Second statement is true. Then what should I do? R is equal to 10. So R change it to 10 now. Lastly, return 40. 40 will be returned. Now observe clearly. Return means what? From which place you came, that place. This 40 will go to from here. For this purpose you are doing. So this return value will go here. This is 40. Return 40. 40 plus. What is the R value as of now? 10. 10 plus 40, 50. 50 will goes to from which place you came? This place. It is a 50. What is the R value now? 10. 10 plus 50, 60. Where it will go? From which place you came? This place. So it is 60. 60 plus R. R value 10, 70. So where you came here? Here. It is 70. R plus R plus R value is 10. 10 plus 70, 80. 80 will goes to from which place you came. I think this place you came, that place you will go back. So what is the answer? I think it is going to be 80. If you use directly, there is no problem. See this one, static variable if you postpone. Static variable if you postpone. I'm repeating once again. Static variable if you postpone, right? It will create a problem. And one more thing I want to do. If you want to do A plus B, A also required, B also required. So A available, then B not available. How can you do plus? B available, A not available. How can you do plus? So when you keep in the waiting state, it will change. Some people are asking, sir, I don't do waiting state. I will print it directly. If you print directly, no problem. Left one, you are printing, no problem. But if you are waiting, there is a problem. If you are waiting, there is a problem. Someone is saying something. Wait, is this a hawk tough reference chart? This is a tough reference. You won the internet memo of the day. Only the bro. What are you talking, bro? I am gone. Are Shikhar, what is talking, man? I am not getting. Is he praising me or he criticizing me? I don't know. Bro, I really don't know, bro. Are you praising me? Are you killing me? I don't know. Is he giving any award to me? Are Shikhar, is he praising me or killing me? Say, bro. Are you killing me? Are you praising me? Only the Balkans with I don't know which language also. I am really scared. Are Ayush, please give Ayush to me. Are Vikas, please give Vikas to me. Vikas Bhaiya, please give Vikas to me. Ayush Bhaiya, please give Ayush. Is he praising me? Chalo. So can we go further? Today's class, we really done great work. Very good work we done. Today's class, if you okay, I am writing. Today's class, if you are fine, if you fine, then you will get 2 marks. Sir, I am Srishti. Oh, Srishti Bhaiya, Namaskar. Today's class, if you are fine, 2 marks, pakka you will get. Today's class, if you are fine, 2 marks, pakka you will get. Pakka 2 marks you will get. Pakka 2 marks you will get. Yeah. Can we stop now? We really done good work. Tomorrow we'll meet. Tomorrow we'll talk about remaining variables, right? Auto variable. Tomorrow we'll talk about auto variable. Tomorrow we'll talk about the, right, I can say auto extern, auto variable also, extern variable also, register variable also. Tomorrow we'll talk. Thank you. I so scared. What is this? Because I am not getting. It looks like you are praising me. It looks like you are scolding me. Look like praising, look like criticizing. Chalo. Can we move to, right? Can we, tomorrow we can see that. Tomorrow we can see them. So if anyone is not joined, there is a 70% nice offer going on, you can utilize. 70% nice offer going on, you can utilize, right? You can use the code EPT 595 ARG. You will get the discount. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Thank you, bro. So these are our class toppers. These are our toppers. These are our toppers. So you have ESE. Subject-wise daily tests are available. 6,000 verified questions are there. Please utilize. 20 years PYQs are there with solution. Free doubt solving also. Short and long notes also available. AR1 handwritten notes also available. So combo offers also going on. Please utilize. There is a combo offer also going on. Please utilize. So right, combo offer also going on. Please utilize, bro. Let me know if anyone having any doubts, and if anyone is preparing for placements, placement, there are so many batches are going on. And PSU, if you are preparing, right, ISRO exam, DRDO exam, NIC, NILET, BARC, right, 70% is off on all courses. You can utilize, right? There is a placement course also, DSA plus system design. This is the best course. You can utilize this also. And one Oracle database course also going on. You can utilize. Full stack web development also going on with the DSA. Right? Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Chalo then. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Good night.